How to delete Temu account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Let's go ahead and open up our Temu application first and get logged into your Temu account. At this page, tap on Use section, then tap on the settings icon on your top right. At this page, tap on Account Security, and here you will see Delete your Temu account. Tap onto it. Check the box that says I want to permanently delete my Temu account and tap on Continue. At this page, give it any reason that you would like. Tap on Continue again. And you can either use email verification code to verify your identity or use Google account to verify your identity. So let's go ahead and choose any option. In my case, I'm going to go with the first one. And then enter the code that has been sent to your email address. Just like so, this is how you can permanently delete your Temu account. Your account will be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you would like to cancel this request, then you can sign in within that 7 days frame. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on Temu topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.